I tell you, days like today, I'm glad God blessed me with a tractor with a cab on it. Because, whew, that wind is cold. I think the actual air temperature is 40. I think the feel like temperature is around 30. We got 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. You think we were in Kansas. We're not. We're in Arkansas. One of those days, it was. See, I got up at 3 o'clock this morning. It was 48 degrees. Actually felt good. Had to drive 90 miles up to Little Rock. By the time I got 30 miles away, the wind had picked up to about 30 miles an hour. We were all over the road. By the time we got back to our little hometown of Monticello, which was, well, it's a 189-mile round trip, it was 40 degrees. Felt like 30. So wintertime is here, and the mud. The mud's here too. Not like it has been in the past, but we're getting it. We got rain coming. I think it's sunny tomorrow. Then rain the next 2 days. Of course, while I'm at work. Then I think the sun will be back again. So, on a good note, my barn is still full of hay. So come on, winter. We will be all right for this year. Oh man, you can't see those trees. They are getting it over there. We have got some wind. Anyway, all right. Oh, I about forgot my captives over there. Let me go get them a roll of hay. They're going to be upset. They ate all theirs off the ground like good little boys and girls. Glad I looked over there. I don't know if I see them laying down or if they're trying to eat. Oh, we got to get one off the top. All right, now we got to cut strings off, dump it over, and hope it lands right. So while we're driving over there, I hope everybody had a Happy New Year. Hope everybody continues to have a Happy New Year. Make your plans for the upcoming year to be a good one. It's an election year, which sucks. No, I will not be delving into politics. But I will say this, go vote. If you don't vote, you can't complain. Yep, I see my girls. Oh, my boys and girls are laying down. That means their belly's at least happy. All right, let's go give them a roll of hay, and I bet they'll jump up and eat the rest of the day. They think they're big bulls. Trying to be like their daddy and tear the hay up. Not letting the girls in. Gotta learn to share, guys. And girls. That may not have been the best place to put that. Too late now. Hey, quick shout out, Skunk Creek Farms, for the cup they gave to me a couple years ago at the Highland auction sale in Springfield. No, it wasn't in Springfield. It was in Lebanon, Missouri. I had bought the year before a 4-year-old bred heifer from them. It ended up dropping a calf out of their bull. Again, thank you. One of my favorite coffee cups. Anyhow, May 5th is the Heartland Highland auction in Springfield, Missouri. I will be there this time. In fact, I'm guessing that Duncan and Ava and Christy, who is not amongst these four right here, will be going. The consignments open on February the 1st, and I will have mine consigned that week. After that, they will be off the market until sale day. Good thing about auctions, no scammers. Bad thing about auction, sometimes the prices are, way up there. Especially since they started letting people bid off the internet. That really blew the prices up. But as a seller this time instead of a buyer, which I've been the last 2 times, hopefully that's going to be good for me. I'll get good prices on my animals. I don't expect a good price on the bull because they just generally don't go that good. Although he is pretty white, so maybe that'll help. My girls, I hope I get a good price for them. At least an average price. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll start working with them, get them a little more gentle, maybe halter trained, or at least started anyhow. That ought to be an adventure. I'm sure we'll video that one too. Oh, it was a nice blustery day today. Decided to stay inside. And then my hat that I like to wear a lot, and I still got to work on it. Lost some of its shape on one side, so I decided to work on it. While I was doing it, I thought I'd go clean out my closet. This is a fairly new hat. I know you see there's no headband in there because I got a big head. It's really hard to find a hat that fits me. Rodeo King. Only ones I've found that actually fit. It's because I can, Cow Lot. Order them from the Cow Lot. Probably not just Rodeo King would fit, but they do them right. You can measure your head, get the actual shape of your head and the size. But anyhow, these two are they're not new, but they're new enough that I didn't want to just hang them up, so I kind of reshaped them a little bit while I was trying to repair my black hat. This one's just here because, I don't know, it's here. These, kind of restoring. I won't ever wear them again, but I'm going to fix me some hat hangers. Put them on there. This is my gunmetal blue George Strait Signature Series from 80 something, 83, 84, 85, I don't know. This one is my kind of gray hat from 1989, 90, 91, somewhere around there. It doesn't fit. I've got two more that are tucked away. No, they're not tucked away. I wear them out in the rain. I wore one yesterday. Then I have my original one that I bought when I was 14 years old. I didn't buy it. My parents bought it for me when I was 14 years old, and I had it up until 7, 8 years ago, and I have no idea what happened to it. It was my rain hat for sure. Anyhow, I got bored today. Thought I'd save some hats from just hanging on the wall. I could keep wearing them, and kind of reshaped a little bit, repair the black one, and restore these two. They are something, huh? Yep. That was a long time ago. If you watch the Cowboy Channel, you will still see these sometimes when they do the 10th round of the NFR show. Anyhow, that's my windy day, didn't want to go outside deal. Thank you for sharing my boredom. Gotta feed my cows. They've been good girls today. They've waited for 3 hours, I think. They heard me start up the side-by-side to fill up the creek feeder. They hear the side-by-side, they think it's supper time. So they went and supervised me cutting some firewood, getting ready for the single digits we got coming. They followed me back up here because they realized I wouldn't do anything other than cutting firewood. And they've been waiting right here ever since. So guess I'll be good and nice and give everybody something to eat. What y'all think? Y'all think y'all deserve some food? Huh? Blossom? Oh, you do? I know you do. Everybody knows Greer wants food. And Big Boy over there. Yeah, I'm talking about you. All right, here I come.